Well, it's Saturday, and for some reason, oh shit, my camera is really dirty. Plug. For some reason, I thought today was Sunday, and it's not Sunday. So I'm sitting in my room watching YouTube, chilling, and I really don't got nothing planned for today. I don't know, bro. Like, I thought I was gonna go do something, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna just chill for a little bit. So I'm really just sitting here watching YouTube. I'm thinking about like, what am I gonna do for this upcoming week? Because I don't know, bro. Everything just feels so, I don't know. I just go with the flow. Y'all know, bro. I don't do nothing for real. I literally just go with the flow, and wherever the flow go, I go. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. So I don't got no plans. I'll probably go sit here and read this book or something. But as of right now, I have nothing. So if anything come up, I definitely let y'all know. I do plan on using this camera to vlog. Let me show y'all real quick, because I literally don't use it. But I plan on using this to vlog because, I mean, it has, you know what I'm saying? Like, why not? The quality not the best. It's not terrible, but it's not the best either. I don't know. I'm thinking about it though. We're gonna see. I'm charging it right now, so. But anyway, yeah, I have no plans. Nothing special. Nothing. I thought today was Sunday, so I really was waking up ready to like start trading. Cause I was like, damn, it's 4 o'clock. The market finna open back up, and I'm gonna see like if I can find me some new entries or whatever. Cause I'm still holding the same trades from last week. So the trades I entered Monday, I'm still holding. So I was gonna be like, you know, opening up my charts and checking everything, and then I looked, and today is Saturday, so I'm like, damn. This is the second time I've done that. I don't know why I keep thinking that Saturday is Sunday. But like I said, I'm probably gonna read up out of this book and try to at least get a chapter or so done. Unless I get hooked and I just keep reading. Some books, I don't know if you like to read, you know, some books you'll start reading and then you just get locked in and you finish the book before you know it. But maybe it'll get like that. I don't know. I've never read this one before, but try to read a couple chapters out of that. Probably finish this other book. I don't know if y'all seen this on TikTok or not, but it's the Don't Believe Everything You Think. So yeah, I'm gonna probably finish that up because I'm probably gonna finish this one first because there's really not that many pages left, and I might end up reading the whole thing again and just to kind of like refresh my memory on what this book was really about. But I don't know, I really like reading self-help books. If you got any good self-help books, and just comment down below. And if I see something that I haven't read, I'm definitely gonna go get it. I love to read books. It's so much shit in books, and people just don't like to read. And I don't understand why, because it's like, it's so much information, there's so much knowledge, it's so much shit in books, and people just won't pick the motherfuckers up. Like, the way to get rich is literally in books. Any way, any form of whatever niche, whatever company, whatever, anything, it's all in these books. That's why motherfuckers don't be knowing shit, because they won't pick up a damn book. But if you don't read and you want to get ahead, start reading. Trust me. Everything you need to know about how to get rich in any way in life is literally in some book somewhere that's probably this size and a quick read. You know what I'm saying? So, look, I ain't trying to tell you what to do with your spare time, but if you want to get rich, read some books. But anyway, like I said, if anything else happened today, I'm gonna definitely pick the camera up and record. The quality might be a little different because I'm using a front-facing camera this time, and then probably towards the end I'm gonna do the back camera because the back camera better quality. Listen, for all these people out there who want to be content creators and don't know what to do, if you got an iPhone, I'll probably have to make a separate video on that. But look, when you making videos, use the back camera. The front-facing camera, this is the quality. It's not terrible, but trust me, use the back camera and have good lighting, because if I was to turn these lights off, this quality will go down so bad. So it's not that you have a bad camera or your phone camera is terrible. It's probably your lighting. You're probably in a room with some shit lighting. Get some lighting, get some lights from the stove, get a ring light, just, you know. But if anything, just use your back camera because it's the best quality. But yeah, so I'm finna get into these books. After I finish this video, get into these books, and I'll probably go back through here and write some stuff down. I need to like really sit down and write down what I want, because I feel like I be thinking about so much different shit in life. I don't really have an actual, like, I wouldn't say plan, But I feel like I don't have like an actual like end goal, because I just know like I want so much different shit, but I'm not really writing down exactly how I want it to be, or shit like that. So I feel like I need to just sit down and like really go over that shit with myself, because you'll have these, I want this in life, I want this type of car, I want this type of house, but it's like you don't really have a plan on how you're gonna get it. You don't write down, like, sometimes some people don't even write, they just think about it, but like I don't have an actual like, I don't even know how to finish what I'm trying to say, but I just feel like I need to get more in tune with that and really come up with a decent plan, like a schedule at least, you know what I'm saying? Like get up, do this, do that, and just, because once I write it down, I can easily just put it on my wall. I don't got to keep writing it. I just wake up and read through my checklist and then just make sure I'm doing all those things every day. So that's probably what I'm about to do right now. I know I have a book somewhere to where I don't have to rip pages out. Just got to find it. But see how once I get towards the light, the quality get better. I just want y'all, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, just get you a light, bro. Okay, here we are. So I know I got a book in here to where I can get the pages out. Life is what you make it. My mama always leave me a little cool shit. So I can write everything down in here. Let me go with my Forex notes. I got 2 full composition notebooks, back to front, full of Forex notes. If y'all wanna cop them, I'll sell them to you for $1 million. Because once you finish, you'll be able to make $10 million in your first 5 years of trading. I hope y'all know I'm being sarcastic, by the way. But there's a lot of shit in here. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and write this up. I think I'm gonna just, I can write, see, Rich Fire. All right, I found some pages. My mom then wrote something in here. We love you. Follow your dreams. That's so crazy. This book is so old. This shit's from, what the date is on this motherfucker? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm finna write down a list of things that I need to be doing every day, so I know, like, when there's days I wake up and I'm like, oh, I'm bored, what am I gonna do? I need to make sure I'm doing all the things that needs to be done every single day. And then once I finish that, if my day is still like, if I still have the whole day to still do shit, then that's when I can be like, okay, I can just bullshit around and find something to do. Whether I want to go to a park, hang out with a friend, just binge watch YouTube videos, or whatever. So that's what I'm finna do. And like I said in my previous video, for everybody who actually watching those, I'm going to be doing trading videos in the morning, which is 6 a.m. Those going to be the vlogs. It's just going to be straight, no, not a vlog, but how I do my sit down videos talking about trading and the accounts and all of that. It's going to be those type of videos. And then 6 p.m., those are going to be the vlogs, where it's like, I may kind of like throw some shit in about trading, but it's not going to be in-depth. All that in-depth trading shit is going to be the first video from 6 a.m. And then my regular vlogs of what I do for the day is going to be that 6 p.m. video. So it's going to be double uploads. And if it be a day to where it's like I don't really have much trading and you only see the vlog, then it's just because I didn't really do too much on trading. But the fact that I'm trading the way I'm trading now, I definitely try to keep making update videos for y'all the way I do have those. And then I break down everything. It's not so much for me to talk about because it's really all the same thing that I've been doing. And as far as psychology and shit like that, like I said, I can't really teach that. This is something you have to gain through experience, because it's just like, I can tell you what I do, but it probably wouldn't make no sense to the next person who watching this video. So it's like, as far as psychology, that's the one thing I really can't teach. There's little tips and tricks that I can show you as far as like to not be so panicky about the market. But even then, it's just like people still gonna do what they want and view shit a certain way. So, but other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and write this shit down, and I will catch y'all if I end up leaving the house and whatever. This is a vlog, so this is gonna be just what I'm doing for the rest of the day. And I also want to make this video just so I have, that way I am posting and recording and being consistent outside of trading. Because there's times where I'll be making trading videos, I'm like, damn, I just feel like this is not enough. Even though I know it's helping other people and I'm informing other people, but for me personally, when I drop one video, like one video a day to me just don't feel like enough. Because I know after that video is dropped, I know I'm doing so much more other shit that can be on camera, and I still be having those moments where I can talk about certain things or have those moments where some type of motivation to come across. And it's like, I was like, I'm gonna just start double uploading, because why not? And it might get to a point to where I triple upload. I have one at 6 in the morning, 6 at night, and then probably something at like 12 or something. Just, I don't know, I just be so, I feel like I'm in a spot to where I just need to go, just keep going. But anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. Peace. Well, I'm about to go to my mama's. I'm about to go to the gym. I got on shorts for the first time in a long time, because it's like 70 degrees or some shit. It's hot as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. It's hot upstairs, it's hot outside, it's hot everywhere. So I got on shorts. Damn, I have to do that. Nothing really came up. I was just like, it's 9 o'clock now, so I was like, shit, let me go to my mom's until 10:30, 11 o'clock, whatever I really feel. And then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna come back home, and we're gonna do it all again tomorrow. I gotta hit legs tonight, bro. Like, I'm gonna try some new shit that I ain't never done before, though. See if I like it, because usually I do the same thing. We're gonna try to switch this shit up this time, though. Try to do something a little different. Do what we usually do, which is not something that I've never done. It's just I'm using a machine to do it, and it might be a little different feel. So we're gonna try that shit out and see how that goes. But other than that, bro, I just stayed home, wrote the shit down that I needed to write down. Read some of my book. It's like 2 chapters left of that book I gotta read, so I'm probably gonna finish that tomorrow. And honestly, we're really just chilling for now. So, oh, my arms hurt. This time around, as far as my fitness journey, I'm not really trying to focus so much on the scale, you know, and the weight and shit, because that's gonna fluctuate all the time, because I know a lot of different shit be going on. Be getting sick, or sometimes I don't eat like I'm supposed to, or whatever the case may be. But I got everything written down that I needed to do all over, not just for one topic or whatever. I got it all. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to my mom's, because I know it's probably dark as fuck. But yeah, see y'all in a split second, man. I'm currently sitting in this gym, about to get this leg worked out, bro. This little outer thigh machine shit, this shit fucking sucks. I think I'm gonna do single leg hack squats. I'm gonna do leg extensions and calf raises and hamstring curls. The last time I did leg press, leg extensions. I think I just did leg press, leg extensions, honestly. And probably some type of squat, I don't know, I can't remember. But I did something, so we're gonna switch it up and do single leg fucking hack squats. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a second, because I got the loud ass music playing. Bruh, this single leg shit, there's no fucking way, bro. I don't see how people do this. Oh my God, I hate doing legs, bro. So the workout done, my legs is cooked. I'm back home, I'm finna eat, get this trash that my mom want me to get, and I'm probably gonna end up going home. If I don't go home tonight, I'm just gonna stay here. I'm really tired. It really depends on how I feel after I eat. But the workout was straight. I ain't gonna lie, my legs, them bitches is done for. But I'm extremely hungry. This probably gonna be one of my shorter vlogs, because I didn't really do nothing today. I read, I watched YouTube, I wrote my stuff down, I went to the gym, I vlogged for y'all. shit, it's the weekend, bro. I don't do shit on the weekend for real. My homegirl was busy. I did change my camera settings though, so the quality off of this camera definitely should be a lot better whenever I start using this again. But outside of that, bro, that's all I really got for the day. I may make this a 2-part, like over the weekends, just have my Saturdays and Sundays in one video. That way the video don't be like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just, that way I can actually upload every day of the weekend, or at least try to upload every day of the weekend. Anyway, it's been Boy Dan. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications coming down below. You ain't gotta do all that. Make sure you like the video. Peace.